The Spode Director's Block sits opposite the terrace in the 1830s built North West Courtyard.
Okay, so get some fancy balustrades.
Okay, so these were just some office there.
Off limits to the employees, this was the exclusive area to which royalty, other dignitaries and important customers were invited. This building has sadly not been accessed by the public since the factory closed in 2008. It is arguably one of the most promising spaces for sensitive restoration and redevelopment.
Yeah.
So to the left was the original blue room. And then that's what joins up, you know, when you said, is that the top floor?
Yeah.
That's just behind that wall. So it was where the original blue room was, and then this is
And when you say the original blue room, I'm not
So
quite
it's-
sure what
so
that
the
means.
blue room is the collection of
Oh,
ceramics.
Spode blue Italian, or
Yeah,
whatever
but
it is.
it's not just blue Italian, it's all blue, different patterns.
Oh, blue and
Some
white.
some very rare things, maybe one-off pieces.
Right.
The collection still, that blue room collection still exists in the current museum. And that's just that blue room is just out of refurbishment as well.
Yeah. Room is concerned where they showed it to buyers, I guess.
Behind the North West Courtyard was an attached cavernous space that was the art gallery, and below the showroom for buyers.
This is where they used to entertain the royal family when they
Royalty and special customers were brought to and entertained in this area.
So would it be like a boardroom, table and chairs, or?
so there was some glass, I've seen a picture where there were some glass cabinets that were plugged into these sockets. I think they used to change the configuration of the room around.
Beneath the art gallery was the showroom, aimed at wholesale and retail buyers. The remains of Spode sales literature lies abandoned in this wood-panelled room. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this clip, please like and leave a comment. I welcome feedback. Full credit to the City of Stoke-on-Trent for permissions and to the Transferware Collectors Club for most of the image overlays. Look out for more videos of my day at the Spode Works.